In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get any Ethereum mainnet tokens trade statistics using BitQuery EVM APIs. To be exact, we will be getting trade statistics for a token such as buy volume, sell volume, buyers, sellers, total traded volume, buys, sells, makers in past 5 minutes and 1 hour. You can extend the query to 6 hours and 24 hours as well. So let's get started. Select API v2 here. You can use the builder here to make the query if you are a beginner. It's very easy to use this builder. Select EVM, then index trade by tokens. Now we are going to select the filters using this where clause. I only want to get the successful transactions, so I have selected the transaction status success as true. I want to find the stats for this currency, so I have put here this currency in trade currency smart contract is and then dollar token. These dollar and suffixes are the variables which are coming from here, and the variable values are here. I'm only concerned with the last 1 hour data, so I have put in block time since and then 1 hour ago's timestamp, also a variable defined here. This block time since filter is also in the where clause. All the filters goes into the where clause. We also have one more filter which is dex smart contract is pair address. Pair address is the variable here which we have defined here. So I want to calculate the statistics for this particular pair address. Now select the fields you need info about. Select trade currency name, symbol, smart contract. I will select the price in USD, but I will put a filter here which is minimum block time because I need price at 1 hour ago's timestamp. If you need to calculate price change, this three values will be very useful to you. Price 1 hour ago, price last 5 minutes ago, and current price so that you can calculate the price change in USD. Now get price at 5 minute ago's timestamp by putting filter if block time after 5 minutes ago, and then filtering even more by just getting the minimum block time in that time period, which will be closest to the last 5 minute ago's timestamp. Now for getting the current price, we can do the price in USD maximum block time. Now selecting the DEX details, select protocol name, protocol family and smart contract address under it, and then select the side currency details also, and then select symbol, name and smart contract under that. Get makers in last 1 hour by just counting the distinct transaction from addresses. For getting makers in 5 minutes using same count and distinct transaction from, just filter for only last 5 minute trades here using if block time after filter. Count the buyers by just counting the transaction from when the trade type was sell. Next trade by tokens is with respect to the pool. So if pool sells, then this type will be the sell. That is the other account will be buying. That's why we have used this if trade side type is sell. That's when the token was getting bought. For getting buyers in last 5 minutes, we can just add the if block time after 5 minutes ago filter. Get the sellers by counting the distinct transaction from when the trade side type was buy. Get the total sellers in last 5 minutes by just adding the if block time after 5 minute ago timestamp filter. To calculate the total number of trades, we just use the count here. But for getting last 5 minute trades, we will add one more filter which is going to be if block time filter. To get the traded volume, we are just going to do the sum of trade side amount in USD. Why summing side currency amount, you may ask? It's because sometimes we don't have amount in USDs for main currency, but we have side currency as WETH here. So we are going to have amount in USDs for that currency. And in a trade, both amounts are equal. So we just do sum of trade side amount in USD. To get last 5 minute traded volume, we just add the if block time filter. We are getting the buy volume by summing of trade side amount in USD and putting here one more filter which is if trade side type was sell. If the trade side type was sell, then means the pool was selling and then the other account involving in the trade was buying the main token. For getting the buy volume in the last 5 minutes, we're just going to add the filter to the above one. The filter is going to be block time after 5 minute timestamp. Similarly, we can get here sell volume by just changing the trade type to buy. For calculating buys, we count trades where trade type was sell, and for buy 5 minutes ago, just add the block time filter. Sells you can get by just filtering for trade type buy trades and counting them. Now let's run this query. You can see the response here and all the trade stats in last 5 minutes and 1 hour for this particular pair contract address. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.